Clever Fox Addiction Recovery Journal is a daily guided journal developed to support all aspects of a recovery journey, helping to stay accountable and motivated to keep going. It comes in a standard A5 size and measures 5.8 by 8.3 inches to easily fit inside your bag. It has a durable vegan leather hardcover, a pen loop, an elastic band, thick 120 GSM pages, and 3 colored bookmarks. Perfect for journaling comfortably wherever you are. Inside, you will also find an illustrated user manual with step-by-step instructions. The journal lasts 6 months and features comprehensive daily pages, convenient planning calendars, regular progress reviews, and monthly exercises. The pages are undated, so you can take a break and skip as many days as you need without wasting space. Begin using this recovery journal by filling out the first few pages to set intentions, goals, and expectations for your recovery. These questions and prompts are a vital part of any recovery program, aimed at preventing relapse and providing you with an emergency plan if needed. You can come back and reread these pages whenever you feel stuck to remind you why you started this journey. One of the key purposes of this journal is to help you build a balanced, fulfilling lifestyle and ensure you stay busy day after day. This way, you can focus on your everyday life and avoid returning to old patterns. One of the best ways to do that is to plan your agenda using monthly calendars. Here, you can add any tasks, engagements, or activities you need to remember, set intentions for the month ahead, list any potential challenges you might face, and consider effective ways to overcome them. Use the space on the right to plan any habits or skills you want to learn, things to avoid, places to go, and people to see. This detailed plan will help you ensure there are plenty of things to keep you busy and excited throughout the month. At the end of each month, take some time to complete a monthly review to see how well you are doing in different areas of your life, and acknowledge your recent achievements and challenges you faced. Then complete a monthly self-awareness exercise. There's a new exercise each month, so you can work through different issues every time. The daily pages include prompts for daily planning and journaling to ensure you get the most out of using your journal. Here, you can set a daily goal, practice gratitude, journal your thoughts and feelings, and create a detailed schedule from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. A pre-printed schedule will help you notice if there are unoccupied, long gaps, so you can plan something fun or useful to fill these in. At the bottom of the page, you will find convenient reminders to complete simple daily activities that promote your well-being. You will also find a weekly review page at the end of each week. It features new prompts every time so that you can keep building self-awareness regularly. Finally, at the back of the journal, you will find a customizable sobriety calendar to track your progress and some empty dotted pages to customize any way you like. We hope this journal will become an effective support system for your recovery, bringing structure and mindfulness into every day of your journey. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.